No, that's for you. Monday, no? No. Good morning mga shots. Start na yung aming day na ganito, lakad-lakad. How many school verify at movie na? After. Wala report? There you go. Hello! Welcome! Welcome to our channel again mga shots. Anyway, parang wait lang yan ha. Magkukwento lang ako eh. Parang naamis ako sa aking fest. Hindi pa man siya ganun katagal na ginamit ko. But I think gumagana sa akin. Gumagana. Ulog. Oh, what happened? Ay, your crankiness. Started your crankiness. Achi, dun, achin, chidin, adun, achi, achi, baby na, achi. Oh, take this, ayan na, take it with you, take it with you. My baby yan is so crankiness. Started again. Hello! Gising na naman yung bata na to. It's okay. No need to cry, baby. No need to cry. Get up. Just get up. Kuy, manalaglag yung ating anong nangyari sa ating kortina. What happened, my baby yan na? Say good morning. Ay, sus ko, wala sa mood ang ating bagong gising. Oh, come to mommy, come to mommy. What happened, my baby? What happened? What happened? Oh, what happened? My baby. Yo, love naman. Got a thought? Got a thought? Huh? Oh. Okay, let's get up. Hi mga shots! Ayun, balik tayo sa ating kanina pa ako nagsalita tapos alala ko mayroon pala akong pa-music. Copyright na naman tayo doon. Anyway, ay kakain pala tayo ng pansit and lechon from yesterday. Tira-tira. Can I get baby Yana? Play, okay? Stay still. Don't move, please. Don't move. Don't move. Wait, mommy. Kinakabahan ako. Yung tip kung lagi kang kabado. Ay! Batang ngiti. Lagi naman ako kinakabahan sa'yo pag naiiwan kita kasi lagi, be careful. Kuy, Mio Marimar. Takot na ako sa mga pinagagawa mo, Ayana. Kain tayo ng pansit. Naluto ko. Sayang wala tayong baby. Do we have I think we have lemon. Can you get in the ref? Please, I want lemon. Sana all mautusan na ang bata, Ayana. Oh, Luna. Bye. Oh, yun na. Oh, what is this? What is this? Oh, this is not mine. Hindi pala luto ko to. Kasi yung luto ko kahapon, walang sayote. Ito may sayote. Oh, this one for you. Try that one. Sayote. That's for you, te. Sayote, for you, te. Kay Gracia plato. Pansit ni Gracia. Akala ko pansit ko. Baby, you want noodles? Yeah, you can eat noodles, baby. Doon so picky. Kita na mo. Kumain na talaga siya. Nag-ano siya ng sarili niya. Just a noodles, okay? Okay. Grab it. But don't spit it out, okay? Eat. Nagpakabuhi. Nagpakabuhi ng kanya. Okay, you can eat. No worries. That's good. So you won't be picky eater. Huh? I don't like picky eater, baby. You should do the same thing with daddy. Oh, daddy is not picky eater also. That's good. No. That's for me. That's very dangerous. Oh, sorry. I put you noodles. Oh, you know. Naningkamot in town siya. Oh, here, I give you more. Oh, just be careful. Basta sa bata. Huwag ka mong eat. Oh, pakabuhit din siya. Pwede na itong mabuhay. Ay, kalat na naman tayo. Wala pa nga tayong linis ang ating bahay. Oh, baby. Hindi ko to ano, baby, yan ay pansit. One day you will try my pansit, okay? Mama will cook for you. Uy, slowly lang. You might choke it. Hindi naman ako makakain nito. Uy. Ano nangyari? Ayan na, nagkalat na ta. See? See how you are? Ay, patay na buhay. Ko. Just slowly lang. Kadami namang bihon yan. Tiyatik. Ang sabi niya, ano ba ito? Baby, this a bit oily, huh? Not too much. Just like that. Just kunin mo rin. Okay, enjoy. Oh, look at it. Ayan. Dami na namang ano. Okay, just like that, okay? After that, no more. Kain na nga lang ako yung sa akin din. Sayang wala tayong kanin. May kanin kaya siya. Pero okay na rin yan kasi may pansit naman. Yeah. Ba't ang galit? What's that? Those vegetables. No, huwag ka nito kayo. Matigas pa to. Si thank you for the cook and thank you for the celebrant yesterday. Si Tata Michelle, thank you very much. Masarap na nito pag ano. Kagigising mo lang kasi yan, ano. Dapat tinatagalan mo pa yung tulog mo, baby. Nang maki-enjoy man ako sa akin pansit. That's so yummy. Masarap talaga pag sobra na. Leftover na yung pagkain. Yummy? I think baby may lemon tayo. Let me get the lemon. Okay? Oh my goodness. Ang dami mo ng kalat sa baba. Okay. Diba? Doon mo? Okay? I told you we have lemon. Aray. Puwet ko. Ampog na. No. Good, gagaya din siya. No, baby. That's dirty already. You drop it. That means that's dirty. Okay, once you drop it, it's dirty. Walang 5 minutes, 2 minutes dito. It's dirty. Okay, stand up. Where's the chair? Should I get the chair from outside? Huh? Kaso lang baka umpog ka, baby, yan. Tingnan natin kung kakain siya ng lemon. Lemon. Okay, be careful. Taste it. Tingnan natin kung anong reaction niya. Taste it. Taste it. No. Other way around. May upuan sana doon sa labas eh. Pero okay na rin yata yan, baby. Just like that, ha? Finish your food. Ay, can I have this, please? Mama will put something on my, pansit. Sabi ko mo. Tignan natin. Diba? Baliktad mo yung paghawak niya kasi. Come on, taste it. Put in your mouth. Ay, kuy. Inulog man, bastos. Okay, eat na. Eat na lang tayo. Say thank you, Lord. Mommy need to, baby, need to wash the plate. Okay, just stay there. Be good. And let mommy finish the washing, okay? Because look at this. It's all messy. Daddy's coming. Wala pa tayong nagawa, Bibiana. Nakatulog pala kami ng siguro nakatulog siya mga 30 minutes yun. Ako siguro mga 15 minutes. Naka-idlip din ako finally. Pero gusto ko pa sana matulog. Wala tayong magawa. Idlip lang muna tayo. At Bibiana, maghugas lang ako ng pinggan kasi ang dami naman hugasan. Uy. Stay there, Bibiana, okay? Just look at the camera. Look at like that. And let me finish my work. Please? Say, okay, mommy. Do you want something to hold? Huh? What do you want to hold? Okay. Okay, wait. Let me find something for you to hold. Oh, no. Don't grab that one. Wait lang, baby. Naghahanap ako. Ano bang ibibigay ko sa'yo? No, baby. No, please, no grabbing. No grabbing. It might fall. Hold on. Just real quick. Real quick only. Kasi si daddy mo darating na, baby, eh. Oh, wait. You play this one. Wait lang. Hindi ka talaga ma-permit. Oh, look at this. Oh, it's a long... Ano ba to ni daddy? Magkape tayo pala. There you go. Oh, yakon muna, ha? Can you just be good for a minute? Okay? Yeah. Oh, daddy's here. Oh, daddy's here. Hi. Say hi to daddy. Say hi, daddy. Say hi, daddy. Hi, daddy.
What are you doing? Hey, baby.
My bad.
You okay?
Yeah, we just had enough. We just woke up.
Just woke up?
Yeah, 10 minutes ago or 5 minutes ago. Had nap.